Okay. Now, before I showed you how to change lead pencils, now I figured out how to change pens. It has to be this type of pen, and I'll show on probably on the next video how to do types of pen like this, but similar to. Okay, first you want to do right here, you twist off the bottom. Right there, it's gonna show a spring. Let's take it out, and this will fall. This right here. This will fall right off. Has all the ink in it. You can still write with it. Okay, what you want to do? Right here. Take that part off. Okay, that's it. That's the farthest I could go. So, that's it. Hope you guys liked it. Bye.